sixth generation.
Seventh generation.
Eighth generation beam distiller.
My family's been in the bourbon business since Kentucky was not a state.
This new Bluegrass Music Hall of Fame and Museum here in Owensboro has been a long time coming. You don't just come and observe, but you engage, you become a participant.
I really feel lucky to be from Kentucky and have the heritage and have been able to be around the people I've been around. Bluegrass is just a part of me. I've run the sound here for going on 30 years or so. People come here and watch shows and have a good time.
This is the heart of bourbon country. If you look at the most awarded bourbons, they come from right here in central Kentucky. The people here have been making it for over 200 years.
We here at the Bluegrass Music Hall of Fame and Museum want to keep this tradition alive.
When I think back to the fun that I've had getting to come here, everybody deserves that opportunity. That's what I want to do.